you guys out. And yes, I do go back on my trades. I look over my trades and just try to perfect my craft. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. So today is FOMC day, man. Today is FOMC day. Market just open. But today is FOMC day. So basically, it's just a meeting when the Feds put out their inflation rates. Really nothing for us to pay attention about on the news side, but we want to make sure we pay attention to the charts. But today, Fed speak, so you want to manage your risk a little bit. You don't want to go all in. You don't want to blow up your account today because it might be a lot of chop before the Fed meeting. So we're gonna see what happens. Eric in the chat, what it do? Good morning. Good morning. Mason in the chat, what it do? Let's go. Hell yeah, let's go. All right, so we got the video moving up. Google dropped off yesterday. QQQ moving up a little bit. Apple getting rejected. Go to the 2-minute chart. So that 562 is where we chopped around yesterday, actually under about 560. We got down to 560, chopped around. But this morning we kind of bounced off of 560 and came back up to 562. So want to watch that 562 on SPY real closely. AMD got rejected. So we're kind of strong here in the market. Let's see what happens. I am on the 2-minute chart. Good morning, Garber. What it do? He said NVIDIA. Look at Tesla. NVIDIA giving us a little pullback right here. See what NVIDIA does right here. I like NVIDIA over 118. That's the level I have marked on NVIDIA. Yeah, over 118. Because that's where it's been getting rejected at. That 118, 117 level. So this is the level right here for NVIDIA. I want to see if we can get above and hold. This is just for NVIDIA. SPY is this 562 level I'm watching. Let's see what happened right here. 6 seconds on this candle. We are breaking pre-market high. And the video pulling back. AMD is very weak. Apple kind of strong. Tesla's holding its lows. Let's watch and see what happens, man. Pulling back here. AMD. AMD about to break some levels. All right, SPY is getting rejected. AMD about to go back down to 100. All right, NVIDIA got rejected. So I'm not interested in no bullish pressure right now on NVIDIA. Look at AMD. Oh my God. Haven't got any trades yet, just still watching. I'm pretty sure looks like SPY is gonna reject right here. But let's just see. Damn. There it is. I didn't get any pullback though. Okay, Amazon. Amazon's low to 191 on Amazon. Shit. Trying to see if SPY really rejects this 562 right here. I will load up Amazon puts 192. I'm gonna load up Amazon 190 puts. Amazon 190 puts. Let's see what happens right here. SPY still needs to break right there. I'm gonna wait for this next counter. If this next counter show me bullish pressure, I'll take the entry. Still chilling. We pulling back a little bit. Kind of like AMD, to be honest. Let's see if we recover right here. $30-minute MACD about to curl down on APT. Might be puts. Need to bounce here if we're going to go up. Yeah, if it's still showing me weak, I'm about to get in puts on Amazon. The video kind of, we would get rejected right here. I'm gonna get in Amazon. But we're pushing back up towards that 562. So let's see what happens right here. If we pass this counter right here on Amazon towards the bottom, and if SPY shows me weakness, I will take that entry right there. 91.16. All right, we pulling back a little. Could be a fake out. Let's see what happens right here. 9:40 on the clock. AMD is looking great toward the downside. Damn, keep missing my entry on AMD. Shit. AMD's just selling off. All right, where's the video? We got rejected a little bit, but SPY still moving a little sideways. I was wanting to pull back on Amazon, but it ain't giving it to me. Might as well sit here and chill, wait for this ORB to break. Not even gonna rush it. Yeah, I see you. I see your positive insights. Yeah, so I use the ORB, but if my levels break before the ORB presents itself after the 15 minutes, I take the trade. Even if I go light, I still take the trade. My A plus setup is if we pass the pre-market high, pre-market low, if we pass both pre-market low and the yesterday's low, I definitely take that trade. Damn, man. We rejected, man. I just didn't find an entry. I knew it was rejecting. I just didn't find a good entry. Cause look at Amazon. It's all red candles. We ain't got no pullback. You know what I'm saying? I want a clean pullback. 9:42 on the clock. We'll let it do its thing. I should have took that QQQ right there, though. That pullback right there got rejected right here towards the highs. But it's okay. Fuck, man. I should have just jumped in Amazon. But if it's gonna sell off like this, we should get a pullback. So let's just be patient. I still have Amazon puts loaded. Shit. Damn, I should have took that QQQ. It's all right. 192. Damn, we could have hit that. $9:44 on the clock. Amazon, I'm watching Amazon. Got 1 minute for ORB. Let's see what happens right here. Oh shit, AMD giving a pullback. See if we're going to recover here or we're going to keep moving toward the downside. That's what we need to find out. $9:45 on the clock. Where is... So I like Google towards the downside, AMD towards the downside. If we get a clean pullback. AVGO is moving toward the downside as well. But let's see if we pull back and get rejected again off of this 562. All right. Look like we getting rejected. Oh, get big green candles. Oh shit, big green candles. That's volatility or news right there. Like I said, guys, Fed meeting is today at 2 p.m. I looked over my journal. Sometimes when Fed speak, it can be real choppy. The morning of, they always have their meetings around 2 p.m. But every day on that, the day the Fed speak, the market is usually kind of choppy. You know what? I'm about to try this AMD though. I don't like how Amazon isn't really coming down. You see how it's going back up? Look at that. Going back up toward the top of ORB. Still on the 2-minute chart. Haven't took any trades yet. Kind of glad I haven't took any trades yet. Cause I wouldn't want to get caught in this right here. I'm gonna load up AMD puts. If we get rejected right here, I'll take a trade. AMD 102 puts. It's bouncing off the 9 EMA. But let me see if SPY gets rejected right here. SPY is pretty strong. All right. Let's watch it. Could get rejected right there. AMD could just be a lower high right here coming down. Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Lower high pullback towards the yesterday's low. That's a pullback on your previous day low right there. SPY getting rejected. If we can get below this candle right here, I'll take an entry, but let's see if SPY holds up here. If it rejects that ORB, I'll take the entry. I got AMD 102 puts loaded. 51 seconds on this candle. See if we reject right here. We could reject and hold the top of ORB. See if it want to reject. Let's see. Haven't really gave us clean movements. But we got a little something to work with. 4 seconds on this candle. Let's see if SPY can hold this level right here above 562. Yeah. SPY don't want to get up there. Let's see. Another wick at the top right here on SPY. Another wick. All right. I still have Amazon loaded. There's the rejection. 9:51 on the clock. I want to reject harder than that though. AMD is the only chart I see a decent trend. I see Apple trending towards the upside. But SPY isn't holding this ORB right here. Three seconds on this counter. Let's see what happens. All right, SPY is holding. Still getting rejected a little bit. Oh, shit. SPY's not showing me any strength towards that, towards the top of that ORB. It's not showing me it wants to go. But I will load up. Five, 6, 3. I'm gonna load up 5, 6, 3 calls on SPY. All right, I just took an entry on SPY calls. I'll take it up to this 5, 6, 3. Let's see if we can get a push right here. 47 seconds on this candle. SPY held the top of ORB, wick towards the bottom. I just took that trade. 32 seconds on this candle. I'm up. I'm still sitting around break even right now. I kind of think I got a late fill. But that 564 is my take profit. I will not trade into that 564 just because it's a big rejection zone. But let's see if we can stay up above ORB. My stop loss is these wicks right here at the bottom of ORB. I'm up 8% right now. 9%. 10, 11. I'm gonna take a trim right here. Take a trim right here. I'm up 9% right now. up 11%. Apple, I think Apple is moving the market. Some must have some news with Apple. $52 seconds on this candle. I'm pretty sure we'll get a pullback. Make sure you guys took a trim. I'm up 10% right now. Stop loss, I'm gonna bring my stop loss up a little bit toward the top of this red candle right here. That last rejection right there. Still up 8%. We might get rejected off that 564, guys. 564, 565 is where we got rejected yesterday. Still up 10%. God damn, look at Tesla moving the opposite way. God damn. 4 seconds on this candle. I'm up 12%. Still holding a little bit. That 564 is the level, the rejection level, guys. That 564. Yeah, we approaching it. We're approaching it. I'm up 13% right now, though. I'm checking my RSI right here. It's 9:56 on the clock. I'm up 13% right now. There we go. Big rejection. Still watching it. Finger on the trigger to take profit if we get rejected. I'm up 12% right now. I just don't want to trade into this 564. I know about this level. Trust me. $25 seconds on this candle. All right. I'm going to take my 10% right there. I took my 10% on the rest of those runners. I want to see how SPY acts right here on this 564. I will wait. I will hold right here. Got about 14% out of that. I will hold right there. This is where we been getting rejected at, guys. Decent little scalp. Decent little scalp. See, we getting rejected right now. But we could hold it. If it hold it, hey, I'd rather watch it than to be in a trade with it. You know what I'm saying? Am I going to get back when Powell talks? I might. I'll let you guys know, though. I might have something to do, but I will let you know. Volume candles. What about the volume candles? Oh, you talking about those green? Yeah. I will. Let me see. I want to see if SPY really going to get rejected right here. This is a big rejection zone, guys. 564 area. I'm going to load up Amazon AMD puts. 102, AMD 102 puts. Give me 1 second, guys. Trying to see something. All right, most stocks moving toward the upside. Tesla towards the downside. This is that area. Down here, guys, this is just my RSI, relative strength index. If it gets towards the top right here, it'll tell me if we're oversold. So basically, it'll tell me if we're about to reverse or we're about to slow down right here. This is the RSI, relative strength index. We got a doji candle. We got a wick right here. I do still have AMD puts loaded. Let it do its thing right here. 10 o'clock on the clock. It's 10 o'clock. We're gonna go to the 5-minute chart. I do go to the 5-minute chart at 10 a.m. just so it can give me a cleaner visual of the candles. 2-minute chart, the first 30 minutes helps me find earlier pullbacks, stuff like that. Okay, let's see how this 5-minute chart acting. See how this 5-minute chart acting. I see a QQQ, but we still trading into that 564 on SPY. I want to see how SPY reacts right here. I want to see it above it. That's why I just took the little scalp right there. Watching, are we loading SPY? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, we loaded SPY. We took a quick scalp, about 14% on SPY. SPY needs to get above this 564. So the bulls are in the market right now. The bulls are in. AMD. Just watching right now. Just watching right now. SPY's getting knocked down a little bit. See how it wants to act on this 564. Do you have a video on how to set your stop loss? I don't, because my stop loss, I use it manually. So if I get in a trade, say if I had gotten a trade right here on QQQ, say if I was right here, I would mark my stop loss right here at the top of this ORB, that pink line right there. So if the candle comes back down to the pink line, I will actually get out. That's my stop loss. I'm gonna get out of all my stuff. I don't set a stop loss with the trade. I don't trust it. I'd rather just get in and out from my touch of the broker. So we're pretty strong here. It's holding. Let's see if it wants to get above this 564. SPY 5-minute RSI S73. All right. It's not gonna move too much higher. It's gonna get knocked down here in a minute. Tesla. Look like it's gonna get rejected. $230, $217. I like this Tesla toward the downside. You see the little short downtrend right here. We got rejected from the highs. I'm pretty sure we're gonna reject right here. I would take this Tesla puts, but I don't like this 200 moving average sitting up under it right here. Okay, I got it. Thanks, bro. Needed that info. Oh yeah, man. Ask me anything you want to know, man. Anything. I got you. No question is a stupid question, man. Trust me. We all been a beginning trader before. No question is stupid. I'm that guy that, when you in the class and they be like, the guy that they hate asking questions. I'm that guy. I'm the one that want to always know. Okay, why is this? Okay, well, I didn't understand that. Can you go over it again? That was me in class. People probably hated me. But I don't give a damn. Watch and spy. Let's see what happens right here at this 564. Damn, QQQ. Damn, I just missed Microsoft. Over here running my mouth probably. Shit, nice ass pullback at the high of yesterday. Fuck. Damn. Missed that one. So we're pretty strong right here. Let's see if we get rejected. I'll watch for a break and retest. If we can get above 564 and hold it, I'll watch for a break and retest. Dang, I ain't really seen a lot of green. We've been having a whole bunch of red days. Finally got some green. See that big wick right there? Big rejection. Y'all see that, right? Where is Tesla? Went above 565, came back down. Let's see what happens. I'll turn that RSI off for right now. Okay. SPY is holding. 43 seconds on this candle. I am waiting on a pullback. If we can get a pullback, I will take an entry. Now that I see SPY is holding. Oh shit, we should have stayed in there, huh? It's all good. We can get back in though. We got 480, 565. So SPY's next weekly level that I'm watching, if we can stay above 564, is 567. Let me make sure I'm right. 565. Yeah, about 567. Weekly level. See if we can get a little pullback right here. I am on a 5-minute chart. Yep, the bulls in the market, baby. They done woke up today. Got to pull back towards the high of yesterday. See if we can hold this level. If we can hold this level, I'll take a trade off of that. Shit, why not? Now, when I tell you guys I'm gonna take a trade, I ain't going all in. I'm managing my risk. You know, I'm just playing it, get some exposure on it. If we get stopped out, I ain't gonna lose all my money. You know what I'm saying? Because you're going to lose in trading. Everybody, I hope you know that. You are going to lose. You ain't going to win everything. Look at this rejection right here. See if it holds. Oh, yeah. It's holding. QQQ. 480 on QQQ. QQQ needs to get above 480. I'm going to load up SPY calls. 565. RSI is kind of over. I think I took a trade like this the other day. I took a trade just like this. I hate taking a trade when it's almost oversold because it probably ain't gonna give you no damn no price action. I like to take it when it's at the mid of the RSI, something like that. Because look, we get rejected. One minute, 30 seconds on this candle. So QQQ rejected the highs of yesterday. Let's see if it's just a pullback though. I told you that RSI is up there. Big rejection on Google. Microsoft pulling back. All right, so we rejecting 564. That's the level I told you I was watching. This is why I got out of that spot trade. You're just gonna have a lot of reactions at that level. That 564, a lot of sellers and buyers are sitting there, chilling, waiting, just waiting to knock the price back down. Or we got some buyers sitting above it, or sitting waiting for the price to get above it, and they're using that as a stop loss. So if we get above 564 and we lose it, just know it's gonna lose real hard. The market takes the staircase up, takes the elevator down. We reject the level so many times, it's gonna go down hard. Pause. Two seconds on this counter. Remember, the Fed meeting is at 2 p.m. Jerome Powell will be speaking. You guys know he can move the market anywhere. He can move the market. Man, kind of want to get in spot puts right now, but I ain't gonna be aggressive. I'm gonna chill. Gonna let it do its thing. You see how it's slowing down? See what the volume looking like. Yeah, we curling back on this 564 right now. Rejection. There it is. There's the rejection. Broadcom went up, came down. Got Meta. Meta went up above the ORB level. Went up. It's retesting ORB, but it's probably about to. Let's see if spot keeps rejecting right here. We only can do what the market presents to us. When the market is easy, go hard. When the market is hard, go easy. Right now, we don't know what the market want to do. Sitting at a strong 564 level. We just got to sit and wait and see which way it wants to go, or if it wants to go sideways and chop right here. We definitely ain't playing with that. 10:17 on the clock. Took one spot trade today. Took one spot trade right here off of ORB. Got about 14%. I seen that 564 approaching, but trying to see if we can find us another entry. Kind of indecisive right now. Got rejected. Want to see how spot holds right here. Microsoft is holding that level. Microsoft is holding high of day right here. That green line, that's high of yesterday. 1 minute, 30 seconds on this candle. We are on a 5-minute chart. We're still rejecting. The Bulls and the Bears are battling right now. That's all that's going on right now. MU came up, broke out a ORB, got above 200 moving average. That's a good move if it goes. Okay, 30 seconds on this candle. Spot look like it want to show some strength, but playing around, man. Playing around. It's a nice pullback trade right there. Next candle, let's see. You gotta be patient, guys. You gotta be patient in this market. Tesla. Okay. Apple still getting rejected. SPY's getting above high of yesterday. Man. Yeah, if y'all do trade later, man, when Jerome Powell was speaking, manage your risk. I'm telling you, manage your risk. Now, always remember, taking a trade off of news and speeches is not something you can do every day. So you want to make sure you can. I'm the type of person where I want to see a setup I can find every day and take that trade. Not actually trade news. Now you can trade news. Hell yeah, I've traded news. I have had a lot of big days on off news and speeches, but you can blow your account up too. So usually when I if I take trade while Powell is speaking, yeah, I got to see the market really moving, and I'll just take scalps. But I'm not risking a lot because you can get like 200% in like 5 minutes when Powell's speaking. Yep, sell the news. But I wouldn't listen to rumors, man. I wouldn't listen to rumors. But you just got to be there at the chart when you know what I'm saying. I can't tell you which way it's gonna go. I can't tell you if they're gonna pause the interest rates. I can't tell you if they're gonna raise inflation. I can't tell you nothing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm just like you guys. I just got to get to the chart and see what I see. But sometimes trading the news can if you're really not trading a setup and you just trade the news, it can come back to haunt you later down the road because you ain't trading the setup, you just trade news. So being in the market, you kind of want to always have go-to setups, not just some shit you hear on the goddamn news to go trade. Know you can get in the market, get on these charts, and get some money every day without news. You know what I'm saying? But it's still good. It's still good opportunities. You know what I mean? Just don't want everybody. I don't want y'all looking sad tomorrow. Y'all come in here and y'all done blew up y'all account. Please don't do that, man. So it look like we're forming a little flag right here at the 564. A little bull flag. Got the flag pole. Flag pole. Got the flag right here. Ugh. Then it's the flag pole. So if we break out this flagpole this way, we should go up. You know what I'm saying? But it's just making a flagpole right now. If we break out this way, you know which way we're going. That's all we see, and we're trying to see what the hell gonna happen. As y'all can see, we rejecting. Rejecting back in the ORB. SPY's at the top of ORB. Oh, SPY's already, yeah. Okay. Microsoft got rejected. I was waiting on that. I wanted to see if that high of yesterday will hold, but it's getting rejected. Damn, I kind of want to take the SPY rejection. Five, 6, 4. If we curl back under this these 2 wicks right here, I got SPY puts loaded. If we get under these 2 wicks, let's see what happens though. SPY ain't showing me that it want to get above 5, 6, 4. Really slowed down. This shit done slowed down right now. Tesla got rejected off a high of ORB. All right, guys. I just got in SPY puts. Let's see what happens. My stop loss is the high of day right here. You don't have to take this trade. This is a reversal. This is not a trend setup. This is just me seeing if I can catch the reversal. Stop loss is the high of day. Sitting at break even right now. Not in heavy. Like I just said, y'all manage your risk. See if we get rejected. Come on. Go ahead and reject right there. I'm sitting at break even right now. I'm at break even right now. If you don't like the trade, you can exit. Like I said, I don't win every trade, but majority of them bringing me that money, baby. See what happens right here. See if SPY rejects. Bouncing off that 9. Like I said, stop loss is high of day. So that 56531 is my stop loss. I'm in SPY puts right now. Could be a bull flag, but hey, we got rejected here before. I trust the history. Let's see if we can do something off of this. 34 seconds on this candle. I'm up 1% right now. 16 seconds on this candle. There's the rejection. I'm up 4% right now. 5 seconds on this candle. This next candle should dump if it's going to dump. Testing that 9 EMA. I'm up 6. Well, shit, I was up 6%. I'm in 0 DTE, so it's gonna move a little faster than mine. I'm in 0 DTEs right now. Come on with the rejection. Down 2% right now. I'm in spot puts. Stop loss high of day. If we get down to this VWAP, that'll be my first TP. Look like QQQ. Rejecting harder than SPY. Two minutes, 40 seconds left on this candle. We are rejecting. We're still rejecting 564. I'm sitting at break even right now. I'm sitting at break even right now. I want to see SPY lose this. Down 4% right now. Still testing that 564. Volume of the bulls really not there right here. Still getting wick. Let's see what happens. Down 1% right now. Probably gonna chop around here, boy. 10:33 on the clock. $44 seconds. 39 seconds for this candle to close. I'm down 3% right now. All right, we still getting rejected. Come on, SPY. Lose it. Got that big wick right there. We still moving down. 10 seconds on this candle. It's not showing me that it wants to go up. I'm sitting at break even right now. Bouncing off a little bit. got wicked again. If we get under this 9 EMA right here, that's what we want to happen. We need to get under this 9 EMA, that green line. 9 or 8 EMA, same thing. We want to get under it. Come on. I'm up 3% right now. Get under there. Break that candle. We need to break the bottom of this candle that just closed. That'll really give me confirmation. It's playing around. Playing around. We're gonna hold it though. Still giving me bearish signs. Sitting at break even right now. Just playing around right now. We got NVIDIA not doing none, curling toward the downside. That Apple rejection. Look at QQQ over here, strong. Yeah, SPY does want to take the stare down, taking all day. I thought we would get a quick one, like we got the past couple of days, that quick rejection we kept getting. Two minutes on this candle. I'm down 1% right now. You say you're in SPY 562 puts. All right. 562 puts. Still getting knocked down. Come on, SPY. Still sitting at break. I'm down 1% right now. SPY need to lose this 9 EMA. $57 seconds. Still sitting at break even right now. No reason to get out. Hasn't showed me anything against my trade yet. 18 seconds on this candle. Break the low. We need to break the low of this previous candle right here. 2 seconds. All right. See what this candle does. This is where patient kicks in right here. You're going to stay patient. Apple went up, came down. That's what I want. That's what I want on SPY. I want that same move right there. I get out. Tap VWAP for me real quick, and I get out. I'll call it a day for this morning session. Sitting at break even right now. I guess SPY got a cane going down the stairs today. Let's see, we curl under. Got wicks. There we go. Back up 4%. There we go. Hell yeah. There we go. 8%. I'm up 8%, guys. There's the rejection. Still watching. Sitting at 5% right now. There we go. 9%. 10%. I'm going to take a trim right there. Let's see how we act right now. Still up 10%. Sitting at 7% right now. I told you I was gonna go. Oh man. Let's go, baby. There we go. It's bouncing off VWAP. Everybody hitting that sell button right now. I'm still sitting up 8% on runners. I only have runners in right here, guys. I'm only on runners. 8% on runners. $45 seconds on this candle. Still sitting. I'm up 9% right now. Back up 12%. 27 seconds on this candle. Still we sitting at VWAP. There we go. Back up 13%. See if we can break VWAP. Shit, might as well hold it. 10 seconds on this candle. Pretty sure we'll bounce off VWAP. That white line right there is VWAP. Take this RSI out. We don't need that no more. All I use the RSI to figure out if we were oversold on the trend. That's all I use the RSI for. I'm still up 11% right now. 12%. See if we lose this VWAP. There we go. Get on down there. It's gonna bounce on it. It might push through. It might just bounce. Go ahead, push through if you're gonna push through. Shit, I'll take it. Still up 12%. We need to get through VWAP right here. Still sitting at 13% right now. There we go. There we go. 16%. We might bounce back a little bit here. Hell yeah, 19%. That's what I'm talking about right there. All right, guys, I'm gonna take my 18% right there. I just took my 18 right there. I took my 18. I'll take it down. That's my TP right there. I told myself I'll take the TP right there. I'm gonna abide by my rules. I use enough size, guys. So if we get up 20%, think about a $10,000 account and you get up 20%. Think about you getting the trade with $100, 20%. Shit, you just did that pressing buttons. You know what I mean? But yeah, I took my 20 right there. What is like 19? Shit. We green. Shit. We green. Took the downtrend to the VWAP. I got in up here. Took it down to the VWAP. That's all we did. I used the RSI. All I did was use the RSI when we was right over here. The RSI is a relative strength index. The relative strength index is yeah, y'all see it. Mason, I'm out with 10%. Shit was moving too slow. Contract was losing. Yeah. That's why I jumped out at 19. I'm good. Positive insight. He said, nice. Hell yeah. Positive insight's been hitting them with me, boy. Hey, y'all know we here, man. I told y'all, you got to stay patient. You got to stay patient. We just sat, talked through the whole trade. Got 20% out of it. As soon as it got right here, I pulled up the RSI because I seen that SPY was slowing down. The momentum was slowing down. The volume candles were slowing down. I pull up the RSI. Let me check the relative strength index. RSI was kind of telling me it was oversold about right here. As soon as we broke back under 564, I took the put entry. Right there. As soon as we broke, and we just rolled it down to the VWAP. That VWAP was my TP, just because I know we always bounce off VWAP. So I'll take my TP right there. But we took 2 trades today. First trade we took, what was that? I think I got like 14% out of SPY call. We took SPY call right here. Oh damn, we took all trades on SPY today. Okay. Yeah, man. I'm about to wrap it up, guys. I'm just going over these trades for my journaling. Yeah, so SPY, I like this SPY because we got above right here of the so we was on a 2-minute chart. SPY opened up. When SPY did all this bullshit right here, went down, bounced up, came back up toward the top of ORB. Those 2 pink lines is ORB. I got in the trade right after I seen we was holding the ORB. It wasn't really breaking down. So as soon as we got back above this candle right here in the middle, between that red candle, that's when I took the entry. I took the entry right at this level, right here. And we went all the way up until we got to almost 564. I think I got out this candle right here. That was about 14, 15%. And then shit, all we did was switch from bulls to bears. That's all we did. I took my money going up. Soon as I seen we was playing around, didn't really want to keep going. Right here, check my RSI. Relative strength index showed me right about here. We was toward the top. Soon as we're towards the top, you know it's a reversal probably about to come. So I just used the RSI. I'm using my indicators. I'm trusting my indicators. You know what I'm saying? Used the RSI, came back down. We got a little downtrend, 19%. That's decent 2 trades. Decent 2 trades. But that's what you want to do, man. You want to be able to get in the market and do something like that every day, not just trade news. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna be on watching Jerome Powell. I might go live. We'll see. I gotta handle something. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but that's just how we took it. We took the stairs up. Shit, we took the stairs down today, but that's all we did, man. Got in calls, seen that we got weak, got in puts. We traded 1 chart today. You know what I mean? 2 trades. You don't have to take 1,000 trades a day, man, to be profitable. Remember that. But all right, man, I'm gonna call it a day. You can probably catch me around 2 p.m. I might get back on for Powell. We'll see what happens. But nice trade today, man. I'm gonna be back tomorrow if I don't get on later on. It's your boy Clark, JKW in the chat. I see you. Positive Insights. Y'all have a great one, man. I'm out of here. Black Tie. I hope you got some of that trade that we just got. But keep learning, my boy. Hey, you're gonna get there. Hey, you in the right, you in the right place to get that money and have financial freedom, man. I ain't gonna take you there. You guys gotta press the buttons. I'm just gonna show y'all this shit can be done. I do this every day. You know what I'm saying? That's my whole point, man. I wanna show people this shit can be done. You can quit your job. You can wake up and do this shit every day. You know what I'm saying? But all right, man. Let me stop talking. I'm up out of here. Look at Spy curling back down. Damn. All right, man. Y'all have a good day, man.